Now, if you look off to your left here, you'll see a street here called Dorset Street. If you look at it, it's one of those narrow two-way roads with no yellow line in the middle, sort of like the kind that I described in a lot of the other videos that I covered and that I've done on different road test sites. All right, so you do have this type of road here, so you do want to be aware of it. You want to get some practice on these types of roads just in case they take you here. The good thing, however, about this road is that if you do enter this road, it'll either be from up here on the left hand side of the screen coming down towards this road, and you'll be making a right. All right, so in that situation, that's good news, because most people, if they make a right, they will have a tendency to stay to the right. All right, so that's good. So that doesn't automatically put you on the wrong side of the road, which is the major problem with one of these types of roads, is that when people turn on them, they wind up automatically, as soon as they turn into the street, they wind up on the wrong side of the street. And that usually happens when people are making a left turn into a road that they do not realize is a two-way. All right, so for example, if you make a left and you stay to the left on this road, you just fail, because you'll wind up on the wrong side of the road. And if you look at it, you can see the cars are facing in both directions. You'll see there's a back of a stop sign right there at the corner, and then you see that there's words on the ground that I described in other videos that say stop. So again, my advice, I'll give you the same advice here that I give in other videos. When you're turning into a road like this, first of all, identify it. You need to identify it as a two-way street. Once you identify this road as a two-way, try not to touch those words. Those words are on the wrong side of the street. And when I say wrong, meaning you don't want to be on that side of the road as you're turning into the street. All right, so those words are upside down. That's an indication to you that traffic on that road is coming out towards you. The road is narrow, so like I said in other videos, if you have to touch the letter S, it's probably fine. If you're touching the letter T, it's probably a little bit too much. And if you're on the O, you probably failed. You're definitely on the wrong side of the street. All right, so the good thing about this road is that most likely if you're turning into this road, you will be making a right turn and not a left. All right, and that's even if you're coming from the opposite end. The opposite end of this road is another street, and that road is a one-way, but it's a one-way going to the right. So if you're coming from that road entering that street, you would be making a right turn onto that road into this two-way street right here. All right.